Hi all, this is Java 1.7 variables and data types. Suppose you need to add two numbers. For that, you will make an addition method. But inside this method, we need to store the two numbers. Then after adding, the result also need to be stored. Now to store this data, we need variables. Variables are memory box used to store data. Variable must have a type which define that the data is number or string or etc. And variable must have a name to refer to it. Example, count is the name to refer to a memory space of type integer. Then you can initialize or assign it a value. Let's see some primitive data types. We have integer data types that include byte, short, int, long, can be chosen based on size of data. Then we have floating data type like float and double to store number with decimal value like 10.5. Char for storing character like A, B, C, D. Finally, logical data type, that is Boolean, to store true or false. If a variable is declared inside method, then it is called as local variable and it must be initialized before use. As you can see in this code, we are trying to print count without initializing. This will result in compilation error. Correct way to do this is, this code will display output as 100. Now if a variable is declared inside class as member variable, then it is called as class variable. Its initialization is not compulsory as it will automatically take its default value as its initialization value. Default value for integer is 0, float 0.0, for Boolean it's false. Let's see a demo. In this demo, you can see a compilation error, that is red mark, because we are printing count which is not initialized. But if we initialize it, then error is gone. And on execution, the output is 100. In the next demo, we have declared different variables and printing them. In case of float data type, we have to write f at the end of number, or it will take it as a double and will give error. Let's execute the code. So we get first output as 0 for I, 1.1 for F, 10.5 for D, character C for S, and true for B.